Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy, creamy Bahamian coleslaw. Without further ado, let's get to it. Those are the ingredients that I will be using for today's recipe. Creamy Bahamian coleslaw. Bell peppers, peeled carrot, mayo, pepper flake, cabbage, white sugar, lime juice, and salt. Now I'm going to cut the cabbage in two to remove the core. You can decide whichever side you prefer to cut your cabbage. I prefer mine to be in thin pieces. Now I'm going to grate the carrot. Guys, don't forget to check the description below for all the ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Slice the bell peppers, onion, Like I said, this is quick and easy. And you can add any other ingredients as you like. Nice and colorful, guys. Add everything in a bowl, adding the rest of the ingredients. You can have it now or you can have it the next day, whichever way you prefer. Now I'm going to mix everything together. You can decide the amount of mayo you want to add in your coleslaw. I prefer mine to be in the creamy side, so I'm going to add more mayo. Guys, look at that creamy coleslaw. Mmm. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.